Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Subaru XV, stock reference number 5187. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 10th month 2014. It has an FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, single zone heater controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.